Imagine a vast, shimmering expanse of ice, so enormous it could cover an entire continent, holding within it enough frozen water to reshape our coastlines. What happens to such a magnificent natural wonder when our planet warms? The future of Greenland's ice sheet is unfortunately one of continued and accelerated melt, contributing significantly to global sea level rise. While the exact timeline and magnitude remains subjects of ongoing scientific study, the consensus is clear. A warmer world means a smaller Greenland ice sheet. This massive ice body, covering about 80% of Greenland, is experiencing melt due to several interconnected factors. First, rising air temperatures are causing more surface melting, particularly around the edges and at lower elevations. Second, warming ocean waters are eroding the ice sheet's marine terminating glaciers from below, making them unstable and causing them to retreat faster. This interaction between the ice and the ocean is a critical driver of ice loss. Furthermore, a phenomenon called the albedo effect plays a role. As the ice melts, it exposes darker areas of land or water underneath, which absorb more sunlight instead of reflecting it. This increased absorption causes even more warming and melting, creating a powerful feedback loop. Melt ponds, which are pools of water that form on the ice surface, also absorb more solar radiation and can drain through the ice, potentially lubricating the base of the glaciers and speeding up their movement towards the ocean. Understanding these processes helps us project that the melt will inevitably lead to higher global sea levels, impacting coastal communities worldwide. Although we cannot reverse past melting, we can collectively influence the future rate of ice loss. This involves reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow down global warming and mitigate the extent of future sea level rise. Scientists meticulously track the ice sheet's changes through satellite observations, aerial surveys, and on-the-ground measurements. They analyze ice cores to understand past climate and ice dynamics, and they use sophisticated computer models to simulate future scenarios. These models consider variables like future emission levels, ocean currents, and atmospheric warming patterns, giving us a range of possible outcomes. For instance, the complete melting of the Greenland ice sheet would raise global sea levels by about 24 feet, a truly staggering amount. The ongoing melt of the Greenland ice sheet is not just a distant polar phenomenon. It is a global issue with far-reaching consequences for our planet's climate systems and human societies. By grasping the science behind this melt and supporting efforts to address climate change, we can work towards a more stable future for our coastlines and a healthier planet for everyone.